Let's extend the heating system to the next floor. To do that, we will need a riser. So let's go to Pipes tab and let's pull down the riser tool. Very often when we speak about risers, we say a riser, but in fact we think about the pair of two risers, supply and return one. So as you see, we've got both single risers available, but also pairs. So let's select the pair of risers with the distance of 10 centimeters, and let's locate it in the plan view. Now let's move it and let's adjust the position. And now we may connect the riser with the pipes that we already have in our system. Now we can check the connections. As you see, the pipes were properly connected. And if we see the axonometric projection, these are these new pipes that are still underfloor. Let's say we prefer to put these pipes 2.5 meters over the floor. So to do that, we have to select all the pipes. Then it would be good to select it from the right to the left and downwards. So we would select all the pipes that are at least partially inside the selecting window. And now let's enter the level 2.5 for the first pipe. And now let's drag this value to all the pipes. And as you see, you don't see anything yet indeed on the plan view, but if you have a look at the axonometric projection, then you see that these pipes have been moved up. But you cannot see a riser yet. Why is that? Because we put the riser, but this tool, this element, in fact, is the riser in the plan view. To have a real riser in 3D, we need to put these elements on two floors in the same position. To maintain the same position, a very easy way is to use copying. So let's select the pair of risers. Let's go to the Copying and Blocks tab. And now let's select the tool Next Story. And we are moved to the next story, and the copy of the riser was installed here. We will design underfloor heating system on the ground floor. So let's now select the manifold that is typical for the underfloor heating system, so with valves. And now let's connect the riser with manifold. And if we have a look in the axonometric projection now, this is the basement. Now this is the part of the system on the ground floor, and if we select all stories, then this is the axonometry of our system. And now you see also risers. In this example, these risers are very short, but still they were added automatically. And we can also go to the Diagram tab. And now let's press Ctrl R, and you see that automatically a simple diagram was created, and you may see this automatically created risers also in the diagram. They are very short in this example, but still these are the risers. The diagram in this approach is very simple because it's only to connect the installations designed on the separate plan views. So as you see, these points here are the points of connection, the diagram with the plan view of the story.